Hello, it's Helen here. Let's make the best wonton soup at home. It's rich in flavor with juicy filling. All the wontons swim in the hot aromatic broth. Get ground pork or beef with some fat. It will make the wonton juicier. Take out the shrimp. Put them in the hot water. Peel off the shrimp shell. Cut them into smaller pieces. Turn them into the smooth shrimp paste. Put the meat together. Chop some green onion in. Crack an egg to add the thickness of the filling. Add the salt, black pepper, white pepper, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Stir the fillings aggressively with chopsticks. Leave one side of your bowl to stir. It will make the process easier. Add cooking wine for 3 times to get a moist and well-bonded filling. Remember to stir in circles. You can get some of these bright flavors in just about every bite. All the ingredients can combine with each other nicely. This is the key to get the juicy wontons. Take out the wonton wrappers. I got mine in the Safeway. Put the filling in the center. Dab water around the square. Fold it into a rectangle shape. Dab more water on one side. Remember, the side with the water should be on the top. When you get more familiar, you only need to dab water on the top to fold it tightly. Remember, don't use too much water to seal the wontons, and make sure your wonton wrappers don't become brittle by covering them under a damp paper towel. If you cannot finish them all at once, you can freeze them for 2 hours with the plate. Put them in the Ziploc bag and back to the freezer. You can have it when you want to boil it. Put the wonton dumps in the boiled water. Stir them gently in the beginning. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes. All the wontons will appear on the surface. Make the soup base by adding salt, sesame oil, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. Add some dried shrimp and seaweed for more authentic flavor. All these are for 20 wontons. Remember to drink some water with your soup ladle. Here it is, your wonton soup for you and your loved one. It's perfect for your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Next time, teach your friends and kids to make them. Trust me, you will have a lot of fun. Please subscribe the channel for more food recipes.